Hello friends, on this video right now I'll show you how to set offline ringtone notification ringtone on WhatsApp. So friends, before we continue the steps, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. At first you have to move on WhatsApp. Here you have to click on this three dot, then click on setting, and here you have to move on notification. If you want to set offline ringtone notification on WhatsApp, just click on notification tone. Here you have to click on ringtones, okay, and here is the offline notification ringtones, okay. You can select it. See, you can select, just press on any songs that you want to put and it will be set, okay. Suppose I click on this is the offline ringtones, okay. You can set it offline ringtones, okay. Just so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.